What's up? This is Leroy Thompson. This is VidLog 4. I want to get something plain and clear and straight to the point here. We have a lot of skill here, right? This is Canada, United Kingdom, London. We have a lot of, programmers, developers, people inventing stuff, people, garnishing, teamwork skills to create mobile apps and these kind of things. But I'm thinking of a frame of mind, capitalism, Afrofuturism. I'm keep on hearing Afrofuturism is the way to go. It's hitting mainstream for a reason. And I want to make sure that you know that it's out there. I could just generalize it to black people. First of all, they don't care if they want to spend money on media. All these games that's coming out for system consoles, guess statistically, black people are buying this, right? I don't know. If I run down to what it is, what I want to try to tell you, I want developers. I want people to engage in my project. I want people to start doing what they need to do. Making money. Making money. That's what I aim for. I'm a developer, but need to make more money. I'm a good developer. I need to get better at my skill, my craft. But yeah. I'm not hard to talk to. I listen to anybody. This culture. I'm in Brampton here. This is Canada. You see Hudson Bay, right? UK, Canada, Australia. I work with all of you guys, eh? So, Afrofuturism. Let's get it done.